You don't know them very well, but they've been here before. This is Mary and Sarah and Sheridan C. and their mom and dad, Sam and Mary. These are friends of mine, friends of Dad's from the church that Dad retired from in Newton, First Christian Church in Newton. And they were with us for our Heaven Sunday, but because of the nature of the service, I didn't get a chance to let you know who they were. They just showed up, and you all thought that you'd not said hello to somebody who's been to our church for a while, didn't you? Wow, there's new people I didn't know. Anyway, they're back today. I want to share a song with us.